All right. So
Yes.
let us try to have a look. But firstly, you're gonna have to read the questions first. So question number 5, right?
No, but that's not the question I sent you. This is the question we did in class. This
it's
one I understand.
you
The
understand.
one from reading from top to bottom. And ke go sendeng read from top to bottom.
Oh,
Bula yona.
I thought me making this example, it will make sense because it's still the same thing, but
Let's open the other one. This one I understand. We read from across.
okay, no problem. Let me try to open the other one. Let me see something shared with me. I'm going to my Google Drive right now.
Okay.
And you said what is it? You said it's class test.
Class test 1 2022.
Class test 1 2022. Okay, let me check here. Let me use this. It's PhD 20 semester 1. PS open and class test 2022 or 3.
2022.
2022. Let's see. It's not opening now. Oh, there it goes. Class test 1. Let me see what this one. This is class test 2. Or you want an explanation based on the answer provided on the memorandum because the questions here in there. Okay, no problem. Let me do this then. So that okay. My PC is a little bit. Let me see if it's downloading. I'm not happening now. Saying this and download. Allow. Is it happening now? Let me see. Okay. I think let me see if it's done. Right. Let me go to open it. Class test 1 2022 open. Okay, let me do this then. Are you still able to see the screen that I shared?
Yeah. No,
What?
but ke screen is a
No, I mean
It's
like,
on.
yeah, you still seeing question number 5?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. What do you see now? Is it loading on your side?
Yeah, it's loading.
Yeah, this PC sometimes. Okay, now what do you see? It's opening another file, ne? All right. So it's question number 2.
There are 2.
It is still the same thing, but let's go through it. Let me zoom it so that we can. I hate that we have the answers on this. I wanted us to figure those answers by ourselves, but it's fine. So they say to us, okay, let me use my highlighter in fact. Let me use this. Right. So they say to us, suppose that there are 2,320 tires at a tire manufacturing plant. There is a concern about the quality of tires produced at this plant. The manager asks to select only three, right? Select 3 tires to eliminate the element of subjectivity. Use the simple random sampling to select these 3 tires. we have already highlighted. Start at row 2, column 8, and read random numbers vertically from the top to bottom. Circle on the table the random numbers and list them below. So you know that the numbers that we're supposed to select on the table using the simple random sampling, we need to take the numbers that fall within this interval. When I say within this interval, between 0, meaning we want to determine within this interval, between 0 and 2,320 on the table, right? We're not supposed to be above 2,320, we're supposed to be below 2,320 included. So now they say to us, read vertically from the top to bottom. So that means where are we going to read from top to bottom? We're going to start at row number 2. Let's go to row number 2. This is row number 1, and this will be row number 2, right? And then which column are they talking about? They are talking about column 8. Don't read your columns like this. Don't say this is column 1, this is column 2, this is column 3, this is column 4, 5. You're going to get it wrong. That's not how we read these columns. I know you might read them like that. So we're going to take the numbers, the one line individually. How many columns do we have? This is the first column. This will be the second column. This will be the third column. This will be the fourth column. This will be the fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth column, meaning these numbers starting from here, they make column number 8. So we go to row number 2. That means this is where we are actually going to start. Let me use my highlighter. This is where we are actually going to start. We're going to start here. We're going to start here. Because this is column 2, row 8. And then row 8, I mean, we're going to start with question number what? We're going to start with, is this? Wait, one. So we're going to start with question number, we're going to start at row number, not row, column number 8. Column number 8 is where 1 starts, right? So now let's start reading vertically downwards. So meaning the first number, it will be 1, 7, 3, 4. Is this number greater than 2,320 or less than 2,320? It is less. So that means this will be the first number that we're going to consider because it falls within this interval. It falls between 0 and 2,320. So we read from top to bottom, meaning moving vertically downwards. So we're going to have 1, 7, 3, 5. We take 4 numbers because our range is within this interval over here. So we're supposed to select only 4 numbers. So this will be the first value that falls within that interval. And therefore, to determine the second one, we move from column number 8, obviously, we're going to move to column number 9 because we are done with column number 8. So let's read 4 numbers. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2,724, is it greater than or less than 2,320? It is greater than because this is 2,700 and it is above 2,300. So that means we're not going to consider that. And therefore, from where we left, we start to continue while we are still in column number 9. We start to continue to count. This will be number 1 and this will be number 2. Now we move to column number 10. This will be number 1. This will be number 2, number 3, number 4. Now we have 3,207. That is above 2,300. It is still above, so we're not going to consider it. We continue from where we left again to count. So we have 4, we have 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I'm jumping now. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here we have 4,124. That's greater than 2,000. So still, we have already figured one answer, right? We need 3 more answers. So this is not the correct answer that falls within this interval. And therefore, where we left at 4, right? That means we're going to start at 1. So meaning we're going to have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that means 1,216. Let me erase it so that you can see it. So that means 1,216. It is the solution because it falls within this interval. So that's why here we have it 1,216. That's the second answer. We continue from where we left once more again. Remember, where did we left? Let me change the color not to confuse you. This is where we left, right? We said 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And we continue from where we left again because we are not done answering the question. They want 4. We have answered only 2, which is this and that. So that means from where we left, we count again, moving vertically downwards. So meaning this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Are those digits found within this interval? Yes, like literally 1,024. 1,024, it falls within this interval. So that means 1,024 will be our solution. Oh, they want 3. They want 3 solutions, 3 tires, not 4. So that means then we are done answering this question.
Okay. Yeah, it makes sense now. Because the column next study by listen, like 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. And then
Yeah.
since in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I understand.
You take them by the numbers. You don't take them like, oh, you take them like this column 1, column 2, column 3.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Yeah, we can make mistakes like that, I understand. But actually, that's not how we do it. Is it fine now?
Yeah, it's fine. Thanks.
All right, sharp.